guys, and thanks for joining me. I'm sorry, I do still have a little bit of a cold, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit strange. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing another really easy swipe. I'm going to be swiping with multiple colors instead of just one. And I'm also going to leave a lot of the swipe color on the canvas before the actual swipe starts. For those of you that would like to give something similar a try, I'll list all the paint colors and ratios in the description box, and I'll also mention them as we go along. I've started off by laying down my base color of titanium white, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus 1 drop of silicone. As I mentioned, I'm just using a single base color today, given that I'm going to swipe with multiple colors. These swipe colors are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. The paint ratio that I typically swipe with is actually 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water instead of just the 1 part water that I'm using today. I was just kind of curious to see how that would work out. But I must say I prefer my usual ratio of 3 parts water, so that's what I would recommend if you're going to give it a try. It just seems like the cells form a little better and have a bit of a better shape that way. Now I'm just swiping with a piece of plastic that I cut out of the wrapper that the canvas came packaged in. Here we go with a quick close-up. Thanks very much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.